Go get the ball, Ava.
Can you kick it back? Can you kick it back?
Kick it. Ava, kick the ball. Put it down on the ground and kick it.
Kick it.
Kick it. No, you don't want to kick it?
Throw it to me.
Oh, good throw. Good job.
Throw it to me.
Throw it to Dada.
Throw it to me. Throw me the ball.
Oh. It's gorgeous today. It's 80 degrees outside in March. And so we're at the park for a picnic. Ava's first picnic.
No?
Well, sort of.
Okay, throw me the ball, Pumpkin. Throw it to me. You got me. No?
Oh, go get it, go get it, go get it. Throw it to Daddy. Throw the ball to Daddy.